Dynamic sound. Yeah, dynamic sound, car stereos, amplifiers, and car speakers. Maybe car televisions, car DVD players, electrical wire, light switches, and fluorescent light globes. Maybe dynamic sound, or or something like that. Yeah, just dynamic sound's not a bad name. Maybe surround sound TVs, smart TVs, internet televisions, DVD players, digital set-top boxes, surround sound, or maybe a remake of the Nintendo 64, and call it dynamic sound, so you can play in Nintendo 64 games in the dynamic sound machine, or maybe dynamic sound machine like Xbox or PlayStation or something like that. Maybe you could do something like that. Yeah. I really don't know. But that's all I have to say, and see you later.